lost in a wonderland, a stranger in paradise. If I stand starry-eyed, there's a danger in paradise for mortals who stand beside an angel like you. I saw your face ascending out of the common place and into the realm. Not somewhere out in space, I had suspended until I'm certain that there's a chance that you can. Won't you answer the fervent prayer of a stranger in paradise? Don't send me in dark despair.